Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Runjay Patel. Guys, in previous video we had seen how we can design a form, right? How we can design a ribbon, how we can design a header, or how we can design this layout, form layout, right? This compose everything we have seen in the last video, right? Related list when we have seen that how we can configure it, right? If you have not watched this previous video, please go and watch that first, because this is the continuous of previous video basically, right? So in this video I'm going to showcase you how we can add our this form action basically. So assign to me, if I will click it, this ticket will get assigned to me over here. So as you can see here in the assign to, right now it is there, the system administrator, right? So based on that UI action, we have a many UI action, how we can add it, this option, or how we can add it on the form action, right? So for that guys, it's not like extra functionality we are adding it, only we need to do a UI action on the form. So let's say we are going to create one UI action. So here under the system definition, we are going to have a new UI action on the incident form. Let's say test. Fine. So I'm creating a test or something, close incident, something close incident. I think close incident is already there. Copy, we have close, we don't have close, right? So here we are getting a close incident, and on the table we will be selecting incident, right? The way you design UI action on the native. So here close, we wanted to showcase only on the update, not on the insertion, right? So here find action, we will just define service now help desk underscore close action, right? Close incident. Fine. So this would be our action, you know that this would be a unique one. Fine. So here option is there, whether we want to have it on the workspace form button or the menu button. So let have it on the menu, sorry, on the form. So this is for the form button. So if I will save this, right over here, so let me refresh it, it should show me a close button as well over here. As you can see here, close incident. So if I want to make this active, so what we can do, we can write sort of a script over here, right? Current dot state equal to, what is the state value for close, I need to check it out. We need to write it down over here guys, you know that, like a current dot update we need to do, right? I'm not going to write it down over here. So based on that, if you want to make it available based on the rule, then you can make it available. So if you want to make this available on the list one, so you just disable this one and enable this workspace form menu. Fine. So once we'll refresh it, and we can, on the form it will not display, but it will display inside our, over here somewhere it will be there, close incident, right? So now we know that how we can add our UI action on the form as well as on the list over here, list menu, right? So next point we are going to see, that is the new record menu. So yeah guys, so this is the important one here. From here I want to create a new record basically. So for that guys, what you have to do, you have to navigate to your agent workspace basically. So workspace, right? So we'll go to all workspace, we look for hours one, in this case ServiceNow help desk. And here we have I go to related list, and here we can see new record menu item. So here, from here we have to create it. I have clicked on the new button, and here from which table we wanted to display. So let's say incident. So we wanted to create an incident, order is 100, fine, ServiceNow help desk, that's fine. Click on the save. That's it guys. So here if you will open it, it will have one new record, and once we'll refresh this agent workspace, then it should give me a one plus icon. Can you see that? Right, so as you can if you'll do a mouse over here, then it will say it is giving you add new incident option, right? Let's click it. If I'm clicking it, it is giving me to add a incident over here, right guys? Fine, so if we can configure one more, so let's say what I'm going to do, I'm going to configure one more. We can create a problem also. So here in this time I will add the problem. It is damn simple, right? So let's say we'll select 200 so that it will reflect after incident. Fine, so let's refresh this. This time it will give me option which one you want to add it, problem or incident, right? So if I am selecting a problem, it will open a problem ticket over here. The way you have designed your form, based on that it will display over here, right? So now we know that how we can create this new action item over here as well, right? Fine, so here I have noted down the note, agent must have create permission for each table in the, yeah. So this is guys, if you don't have permission, then you will not see the options. Let's say you don't have permission to create a problem ticket, then instead of, you have already configured, but instead of lack of access, you cannot see the problem option, right? So that is the point I have noted down over here. Fine guys, so next we will see workspace notification, how we can add a notification over here. So as of now there is notification added over here, but let me clear it out, right? So notification means if someone is updating on the problem ticket, it should also get notified to our agent workspace. So what I mean to say over here is, let's say I'm opening a incident. So here I'm creating a one incident. Let's say not be on this view. Don't know why it is coming this way. Okay, fine. So let's say test. Right, I'm just saving it. But now I wanted to have one notification over here, because someone has created one incident, and it's, let's say it should be assigned to me, or let's say system, it is not coming a system assigned to me, but it is coming plus icon. Based on the group, let's say I'm selecting this group, no value is no. Okay, let's say database. Yes, we have 3, so we'll assign this ticket to this guy. Fine, so notification didn't get triggered over here, right? So I wanted to have one notifications as well. So what we are going to do for that, we will add one notification trigger. So type workspace in left navigation and look for trigger option, right? So here we have a notification trigger. So I have just click on this notification trigger, and here we can have one record basically, right? So here I will say on update incident, or let's say ServiceNow help desk incident, and here we will be selecting our table. We will say based on if you have notifications configured in the native UI, it is asking the same way. So I will be having a based on the record change. I am not keeping any condition, any user can get it. So let's say if I will assign to me, by default it will trigger to me because I have logged in as a system admin over here. So now this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to say test. Update it, and notifications, okay, might be refresh it, and the view, I can say, let me switch the view first of all, workspace. Fine, so now let me just do one more time, and let's say save this. It's not coming. Okay, I think we missed something, so let's troubleshoot why it is not coming. It should come. It should incident, audience is users. Okay, we haven't added the notification content over here, so that was the mistake. So let's edit the notification content over here, right? So this is for workspace. I will add it, and same name I'm just going to provide, right? And this should be the agent workspace only, no need to change anything. Now I have added it. Let's update something over here. Based on that, it should give me one pop-up also, as you can see here. Now it's came, right? And guys, once you click it, it will redirect you to the that incident form basically, right? So this is the default option, and unfortunately we cannot change it, right? So ServiceNow will not allow you to change this syntax. Like first it will come the system administrator updated this one. So how it is coming, they have already configured, we cannot configure ourselves. So first they are displaying priority, and then this is the, I think, description is there, so description, right? Fine, so notification is also done. I hope so you guys are clear on this notification part as well, right? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and try to share my channel with in your friend circle as well. Let them get benefited too, because on my channel you will be getting each and every things, but for that you have to wait a while, but definitely and I'm sure that you will be getting all the modules video basically, right? Thanks gang, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Runjay Patel. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about global search, how we can do a global search on agent workspace. Guys, in previous video we had seen that how we can configure our notifications, right? UI action, form UI action, and the list UI action, all the steps, right? So if you have any doubt, you know where you can reach out to me, right? So let's start now, guys, over here. So first we will look for the global search over here. So let's say if I'm doing a test right now, nothing is coming because as of now we have not configured anything for this global search. So let's configure it. So where you have to go, first you have to navigate to your workspace, right? So go to all workspaces and choose your workspace which you want to edit it. So here is the global search data config is there, guys. So you just need to open this in the new tab to edit the same, right? So here is the search result limit is there 10. You can just update it as per your convenience. Suggestion limit is 10 also. Now here we have to apply the application search sources. So from where whatever we are typing over here, from this it will search from where. So basically we have to add a source. So for source we are adding it over here. Let's say incident one we will be adding over here, or we can add our owns also, right? We can create our search source, right? From here also we can create, or we can create it from the left navigation also. So let me show you from the left navigation also. Search source. So first of all we will create this one, not under that workspace one. So here we can create our search source, and for problem incident it is already there, but let me create our ones. So let's say ServiceNow help desk incidents. So here we will be selecting a table incident one, right? And if you want to put a condition, let's say we will be only looking for the active one. Fine. So we have created our search source. So same we can select over here ServiceNow help desk incident, there order, let's say 100, we'll keep it. Fine. And now once we will refresh it, let me just close this out and let refresh it once. Now let's start for searching. So let's say test and just press enter. As you can see here, this time it's start giving a result. Previously we have checked it has not given. So this one is coming from like a ServiceNow incident. Same way we can add as many we want over here, right? So let me go back to our this one so that you will not get confused. So here again we will open in the new tab, and as of now we have added one, and let's add on knowledge article also. So as of now only we are looking a source we have added as an incident. We can add the knowledge also. So for knowledge it is already there, let's say 200, right? So here we'll save it, and this time if you will search, then first we have to refresh it. This time search will look for the agent one also. So let's sorry, not agent one, knowledge base article as well. So it will show how many it is coming from the incident and how many it is coming from the knowledge articles. So let me, I think it's not get refreshed. Fine. So let's add it over here. Let's say test, and we'll press enter. Oh, it is not adding. So let me check what is the problem over here. right? So let me open it again. I have added two. Now what is the problem with knowledge article? We have added okay, be knowledge article, right? So why it is not populating then? Let me close it out all and let me refresh it again. Actually, I'm expecting a result from both incident as well as the knowledge article basically. So let's do a test again. Oh, it is not coming. Let's search another keyword. Let's say knowledge. Then it is coming from the knowledge also, right? Because I think a taste related nothing was there, so it is not coming related to taste. So let's say let me change it. What I can search. So knowledge article is there, but it is not there on the test result basically for the incident. So let me add it incident one value called fail, so that record will also get a fear, right? So let me add it over here, this one, right? So this time definitely it should show me the result. So as you can see here, this is the notification we have already configured. So let's say fail. It's not adding. Okay, let me do it again. Yes, so you can see it now. So because that keyword was not matching with the both, so now both this fail keyword is matching with knowledge as well as the and the ServiceNow helpdesk incident one. So both it is coming. So one record is from the ServiceNow helpdesk and the three record is from knowledge article over here. So like this we can configure over here, right? I hope you got it now. So next is over here, so global search guys. So global search over here, let me close all this thing and we'll showcase again. So same form, like you have to come to your agent workspace, and here as you can see here, global search view configuration. So you have to do little bit setting on this, means recent item count. This one we need to do a setting, so we have to enable it through this. If you want to increase or decrease, or you want to get like 90 days one recent TTL days 91, and here total overview item per section 10 and 25, you can change it like this way, right? So this is the global setting you can perform. But again guys, if any access control list means ACL is running on that and it is preventing you don't have access, definitely that result will not come. Fine. So next is guys, I'm going to talk about which is a very important one, which is related to agent work, basically agent assist. Here we will be talking about the side panel, right? So add a side panel and agent assist. So if you will go here, let me open it over here, this workspace. So if you will open any incident, as you can see here, this right now only two option is there, right? So one is the attachment and the second one is the templates. So we can add the templates, we can add the attachment. Now what I want to do, I want to add a agent assist. This is the important topic we have in the agent workspace basically, right? So let's start guys. So how we can add a side panel? So for that we have to navigate to the here contextual side panel. So let me just do it over here. or you can just write down the side panel. It will come over here, contextual side panel. So let's create it. Fine, so we will be creating a new one. Give what I can give name as a ServiceNow help desk, or let's say agent assist. We will give agent assist. So ServiceNow help desk agent assist, right? So here we have to select the UI component. Don't go for the client action or server script. It will give you option to write a code like that. Fine, so we will be selecting our UI component. So here we will be selecting out of the box UI component, that is a now agent assist, right? Now here icon we can select which icon we can select over here. So let's say type of graduation cap fill outline, something like that. So let me fill this one, and here we have to select the table, right, on which table it will reflect. So in this case we will be selecting our incident table. Which workspace it will apply for, then definitely we will be selecting our ServiceNow help desk. If you want to apply this action side panel on particular view, you can select it, otherwise leave it blank. It will apply for all, right? So let me save this. Fine, so here we have saved it, and if you go to advanced, then here it will little bit more option will be enabled for us to update the things over here. So basically, because this is the important one, we have to update the value over here, right? So once we'll refresh it now, so this time it will come over here. As you can see here, now cap is there, right? So agent assist is now start reflecting, but nothing is there, right? As you can see here, nothing is there. So how in order to make it working, what we have to do next step? So first we have added the side panel. So we have this is our side panel, so we have added it, agent assist, right? Now second thing we have to do, save a form configuration configure table. So we have to do a table configuration. Basically under that contextual search we have a table configuration, right? So let's just copy this and just do the table configuration over here. So under that contextual search, just let me open in the new tab. Here we have to create one record. So table configuration, basically we will be selecting from which table we will be displaying the record, right? So in this case we will be selecting our incident, right? So incident limit, let's say 10, it should come 10, and result per page 10. You can reduce it and even increase it. Enable preview button, if you want to check the preview, then you can just enable it, otherwise leave it blank. And the here instead of UI type platform, you have to select the workspace. So here search context, you have to select what kind of resource search context you are selecting. You can define your own also, but I'm not going to define right now. If you want to define the search context, you just click the new and get things done, right? So this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the knowledge base, as well as one more option is there, knowledge base, and one more option was there, catalog item, something was there. So knowledge and IPC, okay, fine. Case workflow problem case, knowledge base search, right? Knowledge base search, catalog text. Fine, so let go with the knowledge base search basically over here. right? Or let's say a knowledge search, right? So knowledge search, if you will open it here, this is the default one it has given, or we can create our own also. So let's create it our own also. So let's do it right away. So search context we will be doing, so let it do it from here, from the left navigation. So search context, we'll be creating our new, and we'll give a catalog and knowledge base. Catalog and knowledge. So short description also we will provide this one. Searcher we have to provide here, in searcher, catalog and something, yeah, knowledge and catalog, right? So knowledge and catalog, wildcard search, if you want to enable it. So let's save this, right? So now our this it will look for the catalog and knowledge base both. Now we have option to select that value, right? So just now catalog and knowledge we have created. Fine, so just save this form and start this one reloading again. So this time it should work. So as you can see here, fine, let's look okay, yeah. So this time agent workspace, it should show me some values as well, right? So it's very short description, yeah. So yeah, yeah, we are missing one more step, as I have mentioned over here. Copy the copy table configuration sysID and open side panel. So basically component attribute. So we just now we have created a one table configuration, so we have to copy this sysID. So I'm just copying the sysID and we have to paste it over here, as I was telling. So here we have to map it basically, right? So once we will done the mapping, it will start reflecting in our agent workspace as well. So let me refresh it again. So here it will start reflecting still, yeah, as you can see here it is started, and this is a catalog item, this is the knowledge base, right? We do have an option to search is right now the default search knowledge article catalog item, right? So we have given this option. So on top of it we do have this option, right, to create order or helpful, like that we can map it. So we can create this action item as well. So this is coming as a search result. On that search result, these are the action items. So that also we can configure, which is coming from here. As you can see here, from this it is coming helpful, order. Based on that selection we have done it. Based on that, by default system has generated, and based on the search result it will apply, right? So now yeah, fine. So what if guys I want to search, let's say I want to search a fail over here, right? So it will give me that, right? Everything it will give me, like here in the global search, same way we can do a search directly from here. So I want to configure more option over here, like a similar incident I want to check it out. So how can we do so? So for that we have a additional resource over here. So just go to your search context again, and here just go to related list and click on the edit. So here it will give you option to add more item basically over here, right? So let me just run the filter again, and here we will be saying incident. Okay, so let me do it again. Incident related incident a resolve incident or open incident. I want to check the open change, knowledge article, incident, if catalog item, and resolve case. Fine, so these many options. So based on this option we can select it over here right side. So right now we have added a couple of more options, and once we will do that, just save this form again and reload your agent workspace. Right, so once you will come to your agent assist, let me just do it this one. This time it will give you more option. This one we have added incident, right? Incident, open change. So if you wanted to search something which is related to incident only, just select the incident and just look for this. So let's say I'm just typing a test, which is only I have selected the incident. So whatever the test having like a short description having as a test keyword, it is giving me the as a result, right? So this way we can search it. Next, I was talking about this. I have already talked about. We can add it like a similar open incident. All the steps we can add it. And one more thing, email configuration. This thing I have already talked about. Search field, filter conditions. So I was talking about this search field. So basically it is looking for the short description. I told you over here, that means it will look for the short description. If you want to if you want a system to look into the different field as well, then you have option to add those fields. Let's say if, right now it is short description is only one there, you want to add a description field also. That means while searching, system should look to description field, so you can add it. Go ahead and click addition over here. Filter condition, again we have like define the filter configuration to map field from the form to provide a more target search result. So basically this will give you the filter result if you are adding any filter configuration. Email configuration, it will give you the define email configuration to allow the system to include search result with email notifications. So same is. And the search action configuration, so this is already I told you over here. So action which we are going to perform on this, so basically this action we are talking about search action configuration. We can modify or disable search option action, restrict the action that a user can perform on a separate result. Right, so now we have talked about the search action as well. So this order and helpful, and now I think so we have done with this agent assist as well. So we have, I hope so you got the idea how we can add a agent assist in side panel, right? And we can just enable the search option over here. So now in agent workspace there is two types of search. One is the global search and one is the based on the source we have added. Based on that it will give you the result. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Runjay Patel. Guys, this is the last part of Agent Workspace series. In this video I am going to cover agent chat. This is the last topic which we have pending to cover. But before going to set up agent chat, let's recap it. What as of now what are the things we have covered. So far we have covered branding option, right? So we can do a branding, we can upload the logo, we can define notifications, we can define a global search. Here we can do a lot of setting, right? And here we can configure. If you want to log out, you can directly log out from here, right? And before that we have created our custom like a studio application to configure our agent workspace, right? So in home guys, here we have configured the landing page. There are multiple reports, so based on your scenario you can design your page. You know that how to design. Here we have configured UI action which will enable to create a tickets, incident, prom, whatever you want to configure, you can configure it over here. Then we have seen how we can create our list view over here, and here in my list you can, if you have rights, then you can create your own list as well, right? And now finally we are talking about agent chat, right? So let's start now how we can configure the agent chat. So first of all guys, workspace agent chat to enable live agent chat with customer through agent chat, agent interaction, customer can create a incident or create a record, anything, right? So here agent workspace use the advanced work assignments, AWA. So if you have seen my second video of this series, we have talked about plugin about advanced work assignment, right? So this need to be enabled in order to configure your chat application, right? Fine. So here a couple of things we need to take care before implementing a chat module. So first of all, we have to enable the plugin. So this is the plugin, we have to enable it in order to configure a chat agent chat service. So three steps basically we have to configure, and then we have to set up your chat setup, and last we have to set up a service portal agent chat record so that end user can directly chat with the your agent, right? So let's start it. So first we have to configure our chat setup, right? So for chat, doing a chat setup, you can find it under the collaborate under the chat setup. So just type chat setup in left navigation. You will be getting a module called chat setup over here. So as you can see here, so this is in the global application and this is the only one record, so we have to move it to the global application over here, right? So for this I have already enabled it. So once you will open this chat setup, for you it would be like connect, and here would be a virtual agent support. This would be the form, right? So in order to set up our agent workspace chat, what we have to select, we have to select the agent workspace for global fulfiller UI, right? So once you will do that, just save this. Fine. So once you will save that, this will automatically generate, no need to worry about this part, this will generated by the system, we are not generating it, right? So here now we have enabled it, but the second step, this was the first step to enable your agent workspace. This is for HR fulfiller, this is for ITSM. I told you, like when we were talking about the plugins, that time we were having a multiple plugin for HRs, for CSM, for ITSM, right? So if you want to use that workspace, then you can look for these ones. Let's say if you are using CSM one, so then you have to enable the CSM as well, right? Now the second step guys, we have to configure a service channel basically. So a service channel is a way of defining what types of work you want to route. For chat interaction, the chat service channel is to route and assign chat interaction is added when the agent chat plugin is installed. So basically this is the plugin, if it is already installed, so this is related to your interaction. So basically interaction is related to out of the box agent workspace, right? So that will enable it. So here we can define our own, we are not going to do with the out of the box one, everything we have done our own custom. So we here in service channel also we will define our own, right? So just write a service channel over here. So under that advanced work assignment, you can find a service channel over here, right? So in this service channel right now it is already defined. So in the chat guys, so if whatever the chatting happen, it will go to which table basically. So it is going to interaction table, right? So if you want to place that value in some other table, then you can choose new and you can create your own and you can select that. But right now I'm going with the out of the box one with the chat and let it to go to the interaction table itself, right? So if you are implementing a case one CSM, I'm talking case management means the customer service management. So if you have enabled the case management, then it will go to the case management workspace, right? Fine. So what I'm going to do it over here. So next step, this is already configured, right? Now third one is the work item queue. A work item queue define where a route the work. A few different queue are provided out of the box. To create your own work item queue, navigate to here. So just navigate to advanced work assignment and setting and the queue. So let's say advanced work assignment, and here we can find under the setting we have a queue, right? So here we can define it. Let's define our own queue. So first of all, here we have to define let's say service now help desk queue, right? So this is the name, and service channel we will select the chat. If you are creating your own that service channel, you have to select it, but in this case we are going with the out of box one. We have selected the chat. So let's say give the short description, same. So conditions, if you want to put any conditions like any condition, if you want to put to route the ticket, then you can put the condition over here. So target wait time, if we can define it over here. So let's say our target wait time is 20 second and maximum wait time is the 30 second, right? So let's submit this. Now we have defined our queue. Let's do the Z2A so that it will come on top. So somewhere ServiceNow helped us. This is our queue basically, right? We have created. So next step, guys, we have to define over here a role assignment. So role assignment, where we can find under the same work advanced work assignment, management, and the group. So basically we have to create a group, right? So here we can go and look for the group. So under that management we have a group. Let's say we are creating a ServiceNow help desk. ServiceNow help desk support. So this is the group name I am selecting, right? And here I will make a group member. So whoever the member of this group, they will receive a notifications, right? So anyone can, let me edit both. So these many like 5 members are there who can accept the invitation, right? So we have defined our groups, we have defined our group members as well. Fine. So now the last part we have to do it, guys, that is create and configure a service portal so that end user can interact directly with the our agent, right? So last part we have to do that, look for the agent chat. So just type here agent chat, right? So here we are going to create our own agent chat. So let's say ServiceNow help desk chat. So which portal it belongs to, if you are not entering a portal, it will apply to all. So let's say service portal itself, right? So I'm selecting a service portal. Let's say order is 100. Don't do anything on this, let it be the out of the box one and make it available for everyone. Save this record, and now what you have to do, you have to just go here and you have to log in with the different account basically. So let me just copy this here and we'll open a new browser and we'll hit the enter. Right, so here let me log in with my account. Fine, and I will impersonate with any end user. So let impersonate with any let's say help desk users we have, and just go to service portal. So what I'm going to do, directly I can type ISP, so it will redirect to the service portal, right? So this help desk user is the end user now. So as you can see here, now this start appearing over here. Now here what we have to do here, where is our agent workspace? Right now here it is there, right? So I have not made myself available, I said offline. So let's check it out. If I will open this chat, what it will happen. So it start saying all the stuffs, right? Thanks for using. Click here to start, means there are no agent available at the moment, please try again later, means no one is available online. So let's make it myself online, right? And I will say start new conversation. So as you can see here, now it is saying routing you to a live agent. So as if I come over here, it is saying accept or reject. I have both options, so let's accept it. So here I have accepted, and as you can see here, this one I was talking about, because we have used the out of box one. If you are using your custom one, like any table other than this interaction, if you want to use that, you can do so, no problem. So by default, a help desk user here opened for help desk user, it is coming assigned to me, it is by default it is coming to me, right? So let's chat it. So let's say hi user. So here it should come hi user, it is coming. Hello agent, we are chatting, right? How can I help you? Right, this way we can chat it. But here guys, we do have others, three option, as you can see here. So first is transfers to agent. So if you will click over here, it will show you whatever the available agent online is there. As of now there is no available agent, that's why it is showing like this. There is no available agent to transfer right now. So this is the shortcut guys. So if you will say /ta means transfer to agent, tq means transfer to queue, means any other group if you want to transfer, you can transfer. R means response template guys over here. So template by default it is there, this many templates, right? But we can create our own templates also. So in short way we can just help that, right? So it's easy, like we can have a like a templates, response template, so that we can use it anytime. Let's say go to template creation over here. So chat template something is there. Response template, virtual machine template. I need to look it into let me do it at this response. Yes, response template configuration. Here we can configure our own. So let's say we will create let's say test, or let's say how can I help you, how can I help you. or just give how help you. So same message I will just display it for the incident, right? And here in this I will type the body, right? So I will just save it. You can define your conditions, you can define your group visibility, means like a certain group only this can see, then you can do that one as well. So let me go back to here. So if you'll go here, response template, this time it should show me, it is not coming. Thank you for waiting. I think we need to refresh it, right? So let me check the example one. So over here interaction, okay, so basically interaction, because we have checked the interaction, so we have to use the interaction one for ours as well. So how can I help you over here? And the conditions, we forget to add type is equal to, where is that type, is equal to chat. So conditions, contact type, email, phone, service, virtual chat, where is, okay, because we have not selected the correct one. So interaction we are selecting, and then it will available type. So type is equal to, we can say chat, right? So let's save this, and now let's try it one more time over here, right? So we have, it's connected, and now let's R for response template, have a night, where, yeah, so this is now available, right? So we can click it, in one shot it will go, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this series. If you have any doubt, you know where you can reach out to me, over the Telegram. You can directly chat with me. I have created all over the social networking ServiceNow help desk, right? So you can find me over the Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, right? Even Telegram, you know that Telegram group I have created, Instagram as well. So please do like and follow me over there. Thank you, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, so that you will get a notification whenever I will upload my new video. So next video I'll be starting on mobile development and uh, workflow, or I can say yeah, definitely. So first I will try to upload this mobile development, and then we will look for other topics based on you people request. Thank you, thanks for watching.